WLWT News 5, leading the way.
There was a bit of good news on Wall Street. Stocks ended up a bit higher today, erasing a 600-point drop, but the S&P 500 still sits more than 18% below the peak set earlier in the year.
Yeah, the stock market's recent poor performance is having a roller coaster effect on your portfolio, and right now it seems more volatile than it has been in recent weeks.
And if you're worried about the state of your 401k, you are not alone. WLWT News 5's Meredith Stutt spoke with local financial experts on how to navigate this stormy market.
Yes, we are here to toss you a life jacket if you need to keep from drowning in this market. So I contacted professors from UC and Xavier to get their insight on how to make a wise next move as this market continues to plummet. So the main thing here is don't panic. Even with prices going up in your daily life and the stock market continuing to go down, professors I spoke with say now is not the time to overhaul and abandon your portfolio, especially your retirement account. Dr. Dave Hyland at Xavier says if you've been wanting to get into the stock market, now may be the time to become a buyer with potentially lower stock prices. And with the market being so volatile right now, he stresses now is a risky time to bail on your stocks for cash. So where should you put your money? Well, Dr. Hui Wola over at UC says put a portion of your wealth in safe and liquid assets like treasury bills, which provide a buffer in uncertain times like these. And when it comes to your 401k timeline, here's some advice.
Even if I retire today, I might not spend my retirement savings. Some of that I'm not going to be spending until 20, 30 years from now, hopefully, right? So I still, even at that point, probably have a fairly long horizon. So, I guess the big thing is to really stay the course. I don't spend a lot of time looking at my portfolio every day. I know that, hey, the reason I'm investing for retirement is for retirement. It's going to go up some days, it's going to go down some days. The worst thing I can do is sell off everything and go to cash, and then the market recovers, and I've just locked in all those losses.
It would be unfortunate. Now, of course, before you make any moves with your portfolio, both professors recommend asking a professional for a second opinion. Meredith Stutz, WLWT News 5.
Well, the U.S.